So today I'll be bringing you another horn video. I did an upgrade sometime last year and I bought those from Mike's store, I think I told you guys, and those didn't last. I think I got like a month out of it, month or so. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those. So today I'll be replacing them with these. So these are the original from Honda, and these come from the 22 Accord, and it works with the Civic. As you can see, it's the same connection. The bumper's off, so we'll go ahead and remove this one first. So there's a 12 mil to remove this bolt. Okay, so the new ones are marked high and low. So what I'm gonna put the high one up here and the low one on the lower side of the car. So let's plug it in and test it before we mount it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and mount this one. Don't make the mistake I did. I turned this one up. You need to be facing down. As you can see, a lot of water came out of it. That helped to damage this one, so. Alright, this is the best way I found to mount it. I cannot put it back in between these grooves, because I have to make sure this faces down. This way, and the wire, plug it in right there. So we're all done. All I have to do now is just put the bumper back on, tighten it up, that's it. Alright guys, so the bumper is back on and this video is all done. I'm just gonna give you one more sound so you can hear them together with everything bolted on. There you go guys, thank you for watching this one. I have a few more coming very soon, so you want to stay tuned. I think everybody's gonna like that upgrade. Stay tuned. If you got questions about these Honda horns, reach out to me in the comments. I'll be sure to guide you and tell you what to get. Peace out.